Hello students, welcome to online lecture of MG Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Student, in 12th Math second, we had started topic number second, application of derivatives. In last video, we had started exercise 2.1 and also we had seen some examples in exercise 2.1. Today in this video we will see remaining examples in exercise 2.1. So let's start exercise 2.1. Student, we will start question number 9. The surface area of a spherical balloon is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per second. At what rate is the volume of balloon is increasing? When the radius of balloon is 6 centimeter. See what are the given things here. You had given the surface area of spherical balloon is given, and we have to find at which rate is the volume of balloon is increasing. Means here we have to find volume of balloon is increasing. At which rate? Rate means T, okay? And volume we suppose that V, means we have to find dV by dt, and radius is given 6 centimeter, okay? So see, let R is the radius and S is the surface area and V is the volume of the spherical balloon at any time T. We know that it is spherical balloon, okay? So what is the formula for surface area? S is equal to 4 pi r square and volume V is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube, okay? You had learned in 10th standard, 9th and 10th standard in mensuration topic, okay? So here S is, we know S, and volume we know. You differentiate both with respect to T. What do you get? See here, you differentiate S is equal to 4 pi r square with respect to T. We get ds by dt is equal to 4 pi, as it is derivative of r square is 2r into dr by dt. And see what is the derivative of V with respect to T? dV by dt. 4 upon 3 as it is, pi as it is, derivative of r cube is 3r square into dr by dt. You further simplify, 4 to the 8 pi r dr by dt. And here 3 get cancelled, 4 pi r square into dr by dt. From equation first, you write dr by dt as 1 upon 8 pi r ds by dt. So we get, see here, dv by dt is equal to 4 pi get cancelled, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 r get cancelled. What remains? R upon 2 into ds by dt. Now from this you find ds by dt. ds by dt is equal to ds by dt is equal to 2 upon, see here, ds by dt is equal to 2 upon, now we know that ds by dt is equal to 2 centimeter square upon second, means prati second, and r is given 6 centimeter. So put the value, ds by dt ची व्हॅल्यू 2 ठेवा आणि r ची व्हॅल्यू 6 ठेवा. So we get dv by dt as 6. What is meant by dv by dt? V means volume with respect to time. And we have asked in question, at what rate the volume of balloon is increasing? What rate means T and volume means V. So we get dv by dt. So our final answer is the volume of the spherical balloon is increasing at the rate 6 centimeter cube per second. Okay. Students, see, these examples are easy. Word problem. Application of derivative topic name is application of derivative, means we have to use derivative concept in word problem or tangent or normal. Okay. See the next example, 10th. If each side of an equilateral triangle is increasing at the rate of root 2 centimeter per second, find the rate of increase of its area when its side of length is 3 centimeter. Here we have to find rate of increase in area when its side is length is given 3 centimeter. So let's start. See the solution. Suppose that side of equilateral triangle is x and its area is a. Side is x centimeter and area is a. Then we find a is equal to root 3 by 4 side square. We know area of equilateral triangle is, you remember area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. Side means here x square. Differentiate with respect to t. dA by dt is equal to root 3 by 4 as it is. Derivative of x square is 2x into dx by dt. So we get root 3 upon 2x dx by dt. You further simplify. Dx by dt is equal to root 2. We had given the side of equilateral triangle increases at the rate of root 2 centimeter per second. Side means x and rate means t. Means here we had given dx by dt is given root 2 centimeter per second. And x is given, length is given 3 centimeter. So you put the value of x 3 and dx by dt as root 2. So we get dA by dt is equal to root 3 upon 2 into 3 into root 2. That is 3 root 6 upon 2 centimeter square upon second, means centimeter square centimeter per second. So final answer you write. Hence the rate of increase of area of equilateral triangle is 3 root 6 upon 2 square centimeter per second. Okay. Next one is 11th. The volume of a sphere increases at the rate of 20 cubic centimeter per second. Find the rate of change of its surface area when its radius is 5 centimeter. See students, what is given here? Volume of sphere increases at the rate of 20 cubic centimeter per second is given. We have to find here rate of change of its surface area when radius is 5 centimeter. Rate of change means dt. सरफेस एरियाला आपण काय घेणार आहे, एस घेताय तुम्ही. ओके, लेटर एस कोणतं घेतलं, सरफेस एरियाला लेटर. मीन्स हिअर वी हॅव टू फाइंड डी एस अपॉन डी टी. आपल्याला काय फाइंड करायचं इथं, डी एस अपॉन डी टी. सो लेट्स सी. सपोज आर इज द रेडियस ऑफ, आर इज रेडियस and S is the surface area and V is the volume of sphere at any time t. You know the volume of sphere and surface area of sphere, formula for volume of sphere and surface area of sphere. What is the surface area of sphere? You had learned in 9th and 10th standard at topic mensuration. Surface area of sphere S is equal to 4 pi r square. And volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now differentiate with respect to t. You get, see what you get, ds by dt is equal to 4 pi, as it is derivative of r square is 2r into dr by dt. So we get 8 pi r into dr by dt. And differentiating v with respect to t, you get dv by dt is equal to 4 pi by 3, as it is derivative of r cube is 3r square into dr by dt. So we get 4 pi, see here 3 get cancelled, 4 pi r square into dr by dt. Now from you suppose this as equation number first. Now from equation first you write, from this you write dr by dt. Dr by dt is equal to 1 upon 4 pi r square into dv by dt. So we get ds by dt as 8 pi r into, you put the value of dr by dt, 1 upon 4 pi r square dv by dt. Pi r 1 get cancelled. We get ds by dt is equal to 2 upon r dv by dt. So we get here dv by dt is equal to, we had given in the example. See what is given here. It is given the volume of sphere increases at the rate of 20 cubic centimeter per second. Means dv by dt is, we had given 20 and radius is given 5. So you put the value here r and dv by dt. You get ds by dt is equal to 2 upon 5 into 20. Therefore answer is 8. So final answer is, hence the surface area of sphere is changing at the rate of 8 square centimeter per second. See student, we had completed 3 example, 9, 10 and 11. Next one, 12th. The age of a cube is decreasing at the rate of 0.6 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which its volume is decreasing when the age of cube is 2 centimeter. See, we had given age of cube is given 2 centimeter. Cube चे बघा, क्यूब म्हटल्यावर काय येणार आहे, ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. So here side is given 2 centimeter and age of cube is decreasing given at the rate. So here we had given side upon time is given, it is okay. Suppose that side is x or x, suppose, then we had given here dx, this is given, dx by dt is given, and we have to find at the rate which volume is decreasing. Rate means t and volume means v, means we have to find here dv by dt. Okay, what are given and what we have to find, it is easy. Understand? Age given means it is side is given. Suppose we side as x. X with respect to t is given, means dx by dt is given, and we have to find dv by dt. So let's start. Suppose x is age of cube and v is the volume of cube at any time t. We know that volume of cube is v is equal to side cube, that is v is equal to x cube. Differentiate both sides with respect to t, you get dv by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Okay, so from this you find, now you had given in the question, what are the given things? See in the question, we had given dx by dt, means we had given here first line, volume age of cube is decreasing at the rate of 0.6. So dx by dt is given and x is given. Put the value 3 as it is, x is 2 square and dx by dt is 0.6. So you calculate, we get 7.2. Therefore final answer is, hence the volume of cube is decreasing at the rate of 7.2 cubic centimeter per second. Okay, understand? See example number 13. A man of height 2 meter walks at a uniform speed of 6 km per hour away from a lamp post of 6 meter high. Find the rate at which the length of the shadow is increasing. See what are given things. A man of height is given 2 meter walks at the uniform speed is given from a lamp post of 6 meter high. Lamp post ची height किती आहे 6. Find the rate. Rate means we have to find t. and length. We'll suppose length as, so here we find length with respect to time. Okay, so let's start. Let OA be the lamp post. Here OA is the lamp post and MN is the man. His shadow, बघा क्वेश्चनमध्ये काय दिले, अ मॅन ऑफ हाईट 2 मीटर, मॅनची हाईट किती आहे इथं 2 मीटर आहे, वॉक्स ॲट अ युनिफॉर्म स्पीड ऑफ 6 किलोमीटर पर अवे फ्रॉम अ लॅम्प पोस्ट ऑफ हाईट 6 मीटर दिलेला आहे. म्हणजे ह्या मॅनची हाईट किती दिली आहे 2 आणि लॅम्प पोस्टची हाईट किती दिलेली आहे 6 दिलेली आहे. ओके, सो what we had given here, MN is the man and MB is the shadow of that man. OM is the distance of man from lamp post. Okay, understand first figure. First you draw the figure according to the given points. Now see from figure what we had given. First is given 6 kilometer per hour is what given, dy by dx is given. Okay, y means we find here y is the distance of the man from the lamp post. Okay, and mn is given, means height of man is given 2 meter, and OA means height of lamp post is given 6 centimeter. So you know in 10th maths 2 we had learned this is right angle triangle. So these two triangles, this first triangle, second and third, all these triangles are similar. Which triangle? Triangle NMB is similar to triangle AOB. Okay, so you write here triangle NMB similar triangle AOB. If two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in proportional. MB upon MN, you know MB upon OB is equal to MN upon OA. Okay, so here this step is calculated directly here. MB upon MN, आपण ह्याला काय म्हणतोय बघा, आपला वेगवेगळे कंपोनंटो डिव्हिडंडो झालेला आहे ना, यामध्ये याला काय म्हणतोय आपण इन्व्हर्टेंडो वगैरे झालेला आहे आपल्याला. एकांतर क्रिया म्हणजे यानुसार हा एम एन कायला इथं आला, एम बी अपॉन एम एन इज इक्वल टू ओ ए अपॉन ओ बी. पुट द व्हॅल्यू, एम बी इज गिवन x2, ओ बी इज गिवन x plus y and 6. You cross multiply 6x is equal to 2x plus 2y. 4x is equal to 2y. X is equal to 2y upon 4. That is x is equal to y upon 2. We get the equation x is equal to y upon 2. Differentiate, you get dx by dt is equal to 1 upon 2 as it is into dy by dt. Put the value of dy by dt as 6. So you get 3 centimeter, 3 kilometer per hour. So what we had required, we have to, आपल्याला काय विचारलेलं बघा, find the rate at which the length of shadow is increasing. Length is given x with respect to time, means dx by dt we have to find. So we here find dx by dt as 3 kilometer per hour. So you write finally, thus the length of shadow is increasing at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour. This is our final answer. Next, see question number 14. A man of height 1.5 meters walks towards a lamppost of height 4.5 meters at the rate of 3 upon 4 meter per second. Find the rate at which his shadow is shortening and the tip of the shadow is moving. See the question, same as question number 13, some difference is given. You try first draw the figure according to the given question. A man of height 1.5 meter. Here also you suppose this is the man of 1.5 meter walks at the lamppost. Lamppost ची हाईट किती आहे 4.5. म्हणजे MNOA ला काय म्हणलंय पण lamppost. OA is lamppost and MN is man. Okay. Next, at the rate is given. Okay. Now MB is the shadow of man and OM is the, suppose OM is y, distance of man from lamppost at time t. Now we had given 3/4 is what is given. See, 3/4 is given in the question. What is given? dy by dx. Y means distance of man from lamppost and x means his shadow. Okay, means we had given meter per second. We had given means see, next one is given dx by dt. What is the dx by dt? Rate at which the shadow is shortening. Okay, so see, b is the tip of the shadow and it is at the rate of x plus y from the post. So you differentiate d by dt of x plus y is equal to dx by dt plus dy by dt. It is the rate at which the tip of shadow is moving. Now from figure you first write the two triangles are similar, and then if the two triangles are similar then corresponding sides are in proportional. From this you write directly this step: x upon 1.5 is equal to x plus y upon 4.5. It is like question number 13. Okay, now you simplify, cross multiply, you get the last final answer as x is equal to 1/2y. Differentiate with respect to t, you get dx by dt is equal to 1/2, as it is derivative of y with respect to t is dy by dt is equal to 1/2, as it is dy by dt we had given 3/4, that is 3/8 meter per second, and dx by dt plus dy by dt is 3/8 plus 3/4. Here you take 8 as LCM. Here 3 2s are 6 plus 3 9 meter. So 9/8 meter per second. So we had required, question is asked is here. See what is the question asked. First we have to find the rate at which his shadow is shortening. So first answer is the rate at which the shadow is shortening is 3/8 dx by dt, means 3/8 meter per second, and at the tip of the shadow is moving at the rate of 9/8 meter per second. It is dx upon dt, and it is dx upon dt plus dy upon dt we had calculated. Okay, see next question number 15. A ladder 10 meter long is leaning against a vertical wall. If the bottom of the ladder is pulled horizontally away from the wall at the rate of 1.2 meter per second, find how fast the top of the ladder is sliding down the wall when the bottom is 6 meter away from the wall. Student, you first understand the meaning of the question and draw figure according to this meaning. See here, we draw first figure. First you draw, suppose AB is the ladder Okay, it is AB. AB is the ladder. Its length is given 10 centimeter. At the time t second, the end A of the ladder be x meter from the wall. So BO is the wall. Okay, and end B be the y meter from the ground. बी एंड का आहे ह्या ग्राउंडपासून वाय मीटरवर आहे आणि ए एंड का आहे त्या वॉलपासून किती आहे एक्स मीटर आहे असं आपण सपोज केलं. ओके, सो दिस ओ ए बी इज दिस ट्रायंगल इज राईट अँगल्ड ट्रायंगल. सो बाय पायथागोरस थेरम यू राईट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 10 स्क्वेअर. दॅट इज वाय स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 100 minus x square. Now you differentiate what is the derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Derivative of 100 constant term is 0. Derivative of x square is 2x into dx by dt. Here 2 get cancelled. dy by dt is equal to x upon y into dx by dt. But we had given here what is given 1.2 meter per second is given. Dx by dt is given. Dx by dt is given is the rate at which the bottom of the ladder is pulled vertically, and dy by dt is the rate at which the top of ladder B is sliding, which is the top of the ladder B is sliding. So we had given here what are the given things. X is equal to 6. We had given x is 6. Put the value. Y square is equal to 100 minus 6 square. 36 is 64. So we get y is equal to 8. So equation 1 gives dy by dx is equal to minus 6 upon 8 into 1.2. You calculate. You simplify this, you get minus 0.9. Therefore our final answer is, hence the top of the ladder is sliding down the wall at the rate of 0.9 meter per second. ओके, मायनस म्हणजे काय डाऊन साईडला आहे म्हणून मायनस तिथं घेतलेलं आहे, पण आपण लिहिताना आन्सर प्लसमध्ये लिहिलेलं आहे. ओके, फर्स्ट यू अंडरस्टँड द मीनिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, ड्रॉ फिगर फर्स्ट and then try to solve. See last question in the exercise 2.1, question number 16. If water is poured into an inverted hollow cone whose semi-vertical angle is 30 degree, so that its depth measured along the axis increases at the rate of 1 centimeter per second, find the rate at which the volume of water increasing when the depth is 2 centimeter. See, water is poured into which hollow cone. Okay, angle त्याचा दिला आहे 30 degree. Depth increases at the rate दिला आहे. Okay, and we have to find the rate at which volume is increasing. That is, we have to find dv by dt. Okay, so you first draw figure. Conical shape is given, water is poured into cone, so you draw the figure of cone. What are the given things? Depth is given 2 centimeter. Okay, and angle, semi vertical angle is given. Here semi vertical means this angle is given 30 degree. Okay, so let's start. Let r be the radius and h is the height. Let theta be the semi-vertical angle and v is the volume of the water. What are the given things? We had given 1 centimeter is what given? We had given dh by dt is given 1 centimeter per second and theta is given 30 degree. You know the formula for volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Tan 30 is r upon h. So tan 30 means 1 upon root 3 is given r upon h. So you get tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So we get r is equal to h upon root 3. Put the value in the volume. So we get v is equal to 1 upon 3 pi, r value put h upon root 3 square into h. So you get pi by 9 h cube. So we get v is equal to pi by 9 h cube. Now differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of v is dv by dt pi by 9 as it is. Derivative of h square is 3 h cube is 3h square into dh by dt. Pi by 3h square into dh by dt. We had given h 2 centimeter. Put the value. Dv by dt is equal to pi by 3. H square means 2 square and dh by dt is given 1. 4 pi by 3. We get the dv by dt as 4 pi by 3. So our final answer is, hence the volume of water increasing at the rate of 4 pi by 3 cubic centimeter per second. Okay. So student, here we had completed exercise 2.1 from question number 9 to question number 16. Here exercise 2.1 is completed. You try to solve all the examples carefully. If you understand the meaning of question, then you can solve. First we had seen what is the tangent, equation of tangent and equation of normal. For that we had find dy by dt means m slope, and m dash we had to find. For equation of tangent we find slope m, and equation of normal m dash we find slope. Okay, then we had seen some word problem which are based on application of derivative. Your today's homework is solve exercise 2.1